Hey there! Are you ready to learn the secrets that can make someone completely captivated by you in just 24 hours? Whether it's that special someone you've been crushing on, a person you've just met, or someone you want to rekindle the spark with, I've got the steps to get you there. Fast. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips that work like magic to grab and keep their attention. And trust me, some of these insights will completely change how you approach relationships. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's face it, we all want to be noticed, valued, and, let's admit, a little obsessed over by the people we care about. But obsession isn't about manipulation or mind games. It's about creating an irresistible connection that feels natural and genuine. So, how do you make someone think about you nonstop? How do you turn casual interest into undeniable attraction? It all comes down to understanding human psychology, emotions, and timing. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process that's backed by psychology, social dynamics, and a sprinkle of fun. And don't worry, this is all ethical and designed to build positive connections. Let's go. Step 1. Start with confidence and mystery. The first step to making someone obsessed with you is to grab their attention. And nothing grabs attention like confidence. When you walk into a room, own it. Keep your shoulders back, head held high, and smile warmly. Confidence is contagious. It makes people curious about you. But here's the twist. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep a little mystery. Share enough to pique their interest, but leave them wanting more. For example, if they ask about your weekend, say, "It was amazing, I'll have to tell you about it sometime," instead of giving a detailed play-by-play. The idea is to make them eager to know more about you. Mystery isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you behave. Be the person who isn't always available but always worth the wait. This balance of confidence and mystery creates intrigue, and intrigue is addictive. Step 2. Mirror their energy. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel understood and comfortable. A great way to create this feeling is by mirroring their energy and communication style. If they're upbeat and playful, match their vibe. If they're calm and reserved, tone it down and meet them where they are. This doesn't mean copying everything they do. It's about subtly aligning with their mood. Mirroring builds rapport, and rapport is the foundation of attraction. For instance, if they're leaning in while talking, you can do the same. If they're using a lot of hand gestures, add a bit of expressiveness to your own movements. These small adjustments can make them feel an unspoken connection with you. Step 3. Use the power of eye contact. Eye contact is incredibly powerful. When you look someone in the eyes, you create an emotional connection. But here's the trick. Don't just stare. Use soft, intentional eye contact. Hold their gaze for a second longer than usual, then look away. This creates a sense of intimacy and intrigue. Want to take it up a notch? Combine eye contact with a smile. It's a subtle but effective way to show interest without saying a word. And remember, it's not just about looking, it's about how you look. Your eyes should say, "I see you and I'm genuinely interested in you." Step 4. Compliment them, but make it unique. Everyone loves a good compliment, but generic ones like, "You look nice," don't leave a lasting impression. Instead, make your compliments specific and unique. Notice something about them that others might overlook. For example, "I love how passionate you get when you talk about their hobby or interest." Or, "The way you tell stories is so engaging. You really know how to capture attention." When your compliments are thoughtful, it shows that you're paying attention, and that's irresistible. People remember how you make them feel, and a unique compliment can leave a lasting mark. Step 5. Create inside jokes and shared experiences. Nothing bonds people faster than shared laughter. Pay attention to funny or quirky moments during your conversation and turn them into inside jokes. It could be something as simple as a funny misunderstanding or a shared love for pineapple on pizza. These little moments create a sense of exclusivity, a private connection that only the two of you share. Inside jokes act as tiny sparks of joy. They'll think of you and smile whenever they remember them. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to be associated with happiness? Step 6. Show genuine interest in their world. People love talking about themselves. One of the easiest ways to make someone think about you is to show genuine curiosity about their life. Ask open-ended questions like, what's something you're really passionate about right now? Or, what's the best part of your day so far? When they talk, really listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Nod, react appropriately, and ask follow-up questions. When someone feels truly heard, they'll associate those positive feelings with you. You're not just another person in their day. You're someone who genuinely cares. Want a bonus tip? Remember the little details they share and bring them up later. For example, if they mention they have a big presentation at work, ask them how it went the next day. These small gestures show that you're invested in their world. Step 7. Be unpredictable, in a good way. Routine can get boring fast. To stand out, keep things exciting and unpredictable. Send them a funny meme out of the blue, or mention something they'd never expect you to know about, like a hidden gem restaurant or a cool song that matches their taste. Being unpredictable also means keeping a sense of adventure in your interactions. Instead of sticking to typical conversations, ask unexpected questions like, if you could live anywhere in the world for a year, where would it be? Or, what's the craziest thing you've ever done? These questions ignite curiosity and keep things fresh. Step 8. Be passionate about something. Passion is magnetic. Whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause you care deeply about, let your enthusiasm shine through. When you talk about what excites you, your energy becomes contagious, and people can't help but be drawn to you. Passion also shows that you have depth and drive, qualities that make you stand out. So don't shy away from sharing your dreams and ambitions. Your excitement might just inspire them too. Step 9. End on a high note. When your time with them is over, leave them wanting more. Whether it's a text conversation, a phone call, or an in-person interaction, always end on a positive, memorable note. For example, you could say, I've had so much fun talking with you. We should definitely do this again soon. Leaving on a high note ensures they'll think about you long after you're gone. It's the art of making your presence felt, even when you're not around. Step 10. Maintain healthy boundaries. Here's the final and most important step. Don't lose yourself in the process. Remember, you're not trying to manipulate someone into liking you. You're showcasing your best self and allowing them to see your worth. Maintain your independence and don't be overly available. It's okay to take a step back and let them come to you. Healthy boundaries make you more attractive because they show that you value yourself. They also create a dynamic where the other person feels the need to earn your time and attention, and that's a powerful feeling. Extra tips for staying memorable. Leverage social media. Wisely, post something interesting or funny that reflects your personality. It's a subtle way to keep you on their radar. Be a source of positivity. Everyone loves being around someone who makes them feel good. Compliment others, share uplifting stories, and avoid negativity. Stay authentic. At the end of the day, being yourself is the ultimate strategy. Pretending to be someone you're not might work temporarily, but authenticity is what truly creates long-lasting connections. Closing statement. And there you have it. The secrets to making someone obsessed with you in just 24 hours. Remember, it's all about creating genuine connections, being confident, and keeping things exciting. These tips aren't about manipulation. They're about showing the best version of yourself and letting that shine through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like these. And hey, let me know in the comments, which of these steps are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.